Welcome everyone, welcome back to Toy Review Part 2, David. Today is the first toy, so David put on the first toy. Yeah, this guy. You're sloth, but okay. Okay, next toy. Toad, Mr. Toad. Mr. Toad. That's clean. Okay. Oh, you have to bring in the Solly, am I right? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's the suck. Okay, more? Okay, there's gonna be awesome toys next. We have this Ryu amiibo. Well, we're gonna do a video of Super Smash Bros. With this training amiibo. And a junior as well. Also a junior as well. Well, as well as well. And we have Who's Gonna Save Your Day Every Day? Let me hear it. Yeah, Blue Ranger. Okay. Yeah, everyone likes to play this game. Among Us. Wow, we could really do an Among Us video.
Me one day.
We have Hammer Bro. He's from Super Mario. So yeah, he's from the Super Mario. Yeah, we use this one. Looks like the familiar one that sounds a Froggy, but this time it's a Froggy. It's not even Drax. Yeah, Mr. Drax of Guardians of the Galaxy. Silly, silly me. Koopa Chupa, nice. Koopa Chupa, nice Koopa Chupa. Not Vision. Okay, we have Vision, and the next toy is going to be, who is this? Is this Spider? Is this Spider-Man? Spider-Man's enemy?
Yeah, Spider-Man's enemy.
Oh, Spider-Man's enemy. Okay, we have Groot. What the frick?
Yeah.
Go. Bye, Groot. Mr. Groot. Yeah, we have this guy. It looks like Blue Ranger, but it's not.
This is a guy from Teen Titans.
Really?
Yes, guy from Teen Titans.
Oh, okay, we're coming up. Big boys. Fortnite.
Oh my god.
No more Fortnite. And we have
more Fortnite.
And we have another one from Among Us. And we have Spider-Man. That's Spider-Man and Spider-Man's enemy. Yeah, how do they look similar? Spider-Man and Spider-Man.
They both look similar.
Because they are similar. Dun, dun, dun. Dry Bones. Shazam from the Shazam movie.
We haven't watched it yet.
No, I think Shazam would be interesting. And we have a Batman. You know Fat Batman, Skinny Batman, everyone Batman. We have another Fortnite character.
No more Fortnite.
No more Fortnite.
He was also in the game.
Huh?
He was also in the Fortnite game.
Well, that's silly. We also have Combo Panda. I think we already showed him.
Who?
Combo Panda.
No, we didn't.
Oh, okay.
The last one.
Last one. Just a mistake. Is Jonesies.
Wait, let me do something.
Take
Take the L, bro. Take the L.
Yeah, that's all for today. I think we did Combo Pandas, so is there another one? No.
No, look,
So-
there's one over there.
Yeah.
Wait, I got something after.
Okay, so we'll be right back. So we're back, so I'll put it in the next one. What's his name? I forgot.
Olaf.
Yeah. David watch all the Olaf movies. Well, Frozen. Yeah, I forgot his name, but he's from season 3 of chapter 1. That's all I'm saying. We have an alien guy that we got him from Dollar Tree, I think. Right?
Yeah.
We have a minion. I think we got it from McDonald's because there was a box that you could get him, right?
We got two.
Oh, they're adorable. Little Captain America and a kitty cat. How much people likes to play Adopt Me and a kitty cat? You get it? Adopt Me. And we have another Fortnite character. We have another Among Us character. I make mistakes all the time. And we have Jack. You cannot replace the Jack. I don't even know what I said. We have Leonardo from Ninja Turtles. and Pokemon. I don't know his name. Okay.
Both.
There's Pikachu and Pikachu, Peach and Goomba. So
That's all.
that's all. So hope you enjoy. So now, goodbye, everyone.